Hello, Melissa here, bringing you more VIP magic. And the magic today is the Disney Destiny. You guys, I am on the Maiden Voyage. I'm so excited. I am here and I am touring and I want to show you every detail of the ship. And right now what we are going to do, I'm going to show you my category 3A Concierge Family Ocean View Veranda Stateroom. I'm in 12518 and do you notice the changes here? We have different theming. We have Fantasia Mickey. Look at that, Sorcerer Mickey 12518. And wait till you see what my room is themed. I guess this gave you a clue, huh? For your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click that bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. And for now, oh, I can't even believe it. Let me show you my Maiden Voyage Disney Destiny Concierge Family Ocean View Veranda Stateroom. I am thrilled to take you with me. Let's go inside. This is a beautiful stateroom. As you're used to, I'm going to go in and give you the sweeping views, and then I'm going to go back and show you every detail. So yes, this is very spacious. It will sleep 5, and I'm going to show you everything. Oh! So beautiful. Check it out. And if you'll notice, the Maiden Voyage is a little different than our other sailings. We do get our Pearl Castaway exclusive offerings here, which I'll show you soon, but we get all kinds of magical extras every night and on the bed. So gifts galore. And I'll be doing a separate video on all of the gifts I get. So stay tuned for that. Oh, so lovely. Okay, so let's start with this. So I said this sleeps 5, this particular stateroom. So first of all, you have a Murphy bed here. So this Murphy bed at night is going to pull down for your 5th guest. And again, if you have a 5th family member, your concierge host, I can let them know that you need this pull down. Otherwise, it stays up. No worries at all. It's just based on your family's needs, and Melissa VIP Magic will help you with everything that you need. Amazing! This is a sofa sleeper. Again, it will accommodate 1. It's a little smaller than a twin. Let me pull it out and show it to you now. Now this is a sofa sleeper. I said it was a little smaller than a twin. That is very correct. It is very comfortable. The mattress is plush, so it is not, it flips over instead of pulling out. So you can be rest assured that it is a pretty thick mattress here and very comfortable for your family member. You are also going to have an upper berth bed. So it is going to pull down by your concierge stateroom host. And let's look at that now. So let's check out the upper berth bed. This is perfect for your little one. Let's look here. It says 265 pounds and up to that. So it's perfect. So climb up this little ladder here. Love it. And you have the bed rails for safety. And then look at the top, you guys. I have often dreamed of a far off place. And it's Hercules up above. I love that. So nice. And then if you'll notice, there's a light here. Your little one can turn on and off the light. There's a switch there. So nice. So comfy. And this is the upper berth. Lovely. Your stateroom host will put that together for you. No problem at all. Now there are so many room configurations in Concierge. We have royal suites, we have 1-bedrooms, we have 2-bedroom royal suites. Watch all my videos on that. Contact Melissa VIP Magic. I am a Concierge VIP expert. I can walk you through everything. There's no additional charge to use me as your travel agent. And also you get my expertise. So why wouldn't you do that? The things I love about Concierge is G. We put in our recommendations and he's bringing sparkling Evian, Coke Zero, and anything else Melissa VIP Magic requested on my Concierge list. I love that. Thank you, G. You're the best. Speaking of that, with Melissa VIP Magic, I take care of every detail. So just like G's coming in here right now, I send your Concierge wish list in for you where you don't miss a thing. You want silk pillowcases? Done. You want Coke Zero in your Concierge stateroom? Done. You want sparkling Evian in a bottle, not in a can? Done. You'll see the magic when you contact me today. I love it. Thanks, G, for coming in. While G is filling up our refrigerator, if you'll notice there, it pulls out. It's just like the Treasure and just like the Wish. So all of our beverages will stay cold. And with Concierge, all of these beverages are requested and in your room upon arrival, in your suite, in your royal suite, so you can be most comfortable. Thanks, G. Bye. All right, and let's move on. So we do have quite a bit of storage right above our refrigerator. We have drawers here, which are nice. Your hair dryer should be here, which it is. And then we have a curling iron pad here, which is nice. So don't bring your hair dryer, it is here. And then we also have, well, that's my charger, but we have tons of drawer space there too. Now there's a stool. I usually sit here and plug my curling iron in here or my hair dryer, and it's very comfortable to put makeup on. I always tell my guests, put in the European plug. So bring a European plug for this charger, and then I've got my regular ones here and my USB-C here. So very good. Now also we have a drawer there. You can put your makeup there, and a beautiful light. I love that. And here's your balcony light, your curtain light, your ceiling light, and your mirror light. So very good. Now, hey, how's everybody? And we have shelving here. So shelving there, and then we also have this side. And once again, Maiden Voyage. So this is specialty glasses that they gave us for the Maiden Voyage. I love that. And y'all, I love sparkling Evian in a bottle. I don't get that at home a lot, and so just love it. So that's one of my treats when I cruise. And more shelving space here, which is great. Now in Concierge, different than non-concierge rooms, these are regular glasses. So they are actual glass, and they have that blue shade that I love on the Treasure and now the Destiny. Just absolutely love that. So when you go down to happy hour, you can bring the glasses back. They also look like this. I had my cake bake rosé in a champagne glass that looked very similar to that on for my welcome drink here in the Concierge Lounge. That's awesome. Okay, let's move on over here. So I told you earlier and showed you about the sofa sleeper. We also have a table. This table will move around, of course. I book my Disney cruises and work from here. The Starlink works great with the Wi-Fi, so cruise and work. We can work from anywhere, right? So do that. It's awesome. Beautiful, beautiful artwork. Love it, Mickey. Sorcerer Mickey. Oh, I'm in love. I love this room. Now, this is a great tip. So this drape is going to come across. It keeps that king bed over here so dark. That area is so dark in the morning. So let me show you how that pulls out. And when your kids are sleeping here, and here, and here. That's a great way to partition it off. Let's check it out. So all you do is undo the hook and pull. And as you can see, that's going to go all the way across, which is so very nice. Okay, so check this out. I did mention king size beds. So the Wish class ships, including the Destiny now, in the Concierge will have king size beds, unlike our non-Dream class ships. So we love that. Now you can request different pillows, and my guests always have the advantage of having Melissa VIP Magic. Let them know what the pillow menu is. All you do is let me know, and I send that in for you at 1:30, and magically it appears in your stateroom. So we have memory foam pillows, we have snore reducer pillows, side sleepers, all kinds of different choices here. So you don't want to miss that at all, trying to book this on your own. Let me do it. I do it all day, every day. I am your VIP specialist here in Concierge. Now, the bed linens are absolutely upgraded. They are, these feather pillows are amazing. The bed linens are amazing. I just love it. So again, for the Maiden Voyage, we have the Sellaway Mickey hands. I just love that. So amazing. And then we have the lights with the Mickey touches. So see the hidden Mickeys there? So cute. And then you're gonna have a side lamp. You're gonna have an artwork light and then a down light. You're also going to have regular plugs and USB-C plugs. You also have a drawer there. So very, very, very nice. And on the other side, you have the same. It's duplicate. So you've got your hidden Mickey. Let's turn it on. There he is. There's our Mickey. And then we have the down light for reading and then artwork. This side has that European plug. Don't forget, travel agent tip, bring that plug. And then I've already got my bag in there with the side drawer. Now, another thing I like about this ship, this Destiny, we can put our luggage underneath, which is very, very, very nice. Again, gifts. I'm going to do a full video on all the gifts we get on the Maiden Voyage, so stay tuned for that. More storage is here. You have a whole column of storage, so that's going to be nice for us. You have a flat screen TV. Love that. See our Disney Destiny cruise ship. Love. Cruise line. We have families in mind, so we do split baths in most of our staterooms. Again, don't try to do this on your own. You want a split bath and you want a VIP expert helping you. So this room indeed has a split bath, and let me show you what's inside. It's excellent because you have one toilet, but you have two sinks, and two guests can get ready at the same time. So let's check this out. All right, so bathroom area, robe hook. This is where I put my lanyard, my pearl lanyard. And then here we have the first bathroom. So this is where our bathtub is going to be and our shower. And then we have our first sink here. Very, very nice. Oh, I can't wait. So pretty. The mosaic. Oh my gosh, so, so lovely. So, so lovely. Look at that, every detail. Thank you, Disney. I just love it. You have a rain shower here. You have a handheld shower. All my guests love these spongellies. This is something else we can put on your concierge wish list because we love these, and they can hang from your shower and you can bring those home. So don't forget those. We have upgraded Elemis bath products, which is great and just a lovely experience. And there's your bathtub. Now here, we're gonna have towels already here. We have trash. You're in Concierge, so you have a scale, which is nice, although I've been walking the stairs so I can keep my activity up with all we eat and drink here in Concierge. You have a makeup wipe, and then you also have lotion, more towels, and more storage there. I love it. Very, very nice. And don't let me forget, you have a full-length mirror. So it is right here. Now, I said split bath. Let's go into the second bath. This one does not have a shower, but it does have a second sink, which is lovely. And then you also have your toilet area. More storage here, right back there. And then you have your robe hook. So very nice, very spacious. Scott and I are here this time. More storage. So one will have one and one will have the other. So really two bathrooms, and there's your Elemis bath products. Very good. Now I mentioned storage. So this particular stateroom has two closets. Let me open that for you. So this is your first one. I love that Disney Cruise Line puts the little sachets in here to make it smell good. And oh my goodness, thank you, Disney Cruise Line Concierge. We have our concierge robes with the logo. Just love that. So yes, 2 robes, and then you have your slippers. And travel agent tip, when I book your cruise, let me know if your kids want robes too. I can make that happen. It's so fun. We have plenty of hangers, hangers with clips, hangers without clips. And that's a ladder that's going to the ladder that was on the upper berth bed that I showed you earlier. Now let's go in here on the second. It's kind of dark. I hope you can see it. So more hangers, another sachet, more storage. There's a cubby down there, 2 drawers here in this concierge stateroom, and then you have a safe. So you set your own lock, and then I keep our passports in here, and it's a nice little jewelry area also. Here's our laundry bag. Love these concierge laundry bags, and they are made out of fabric. You can send off your laundry if needed, which is very nice. And that's it. How about it? Now, I saved the best for last. Let me show you the view. Let me show you the veranda. Let's do it. Okay. Oh, yes, and we get a fruit tray. Let's talk about that. Oh, and a mirror. So here's a makeup mirror, ladies. How about that? Okay, there's so much. Okay, let's go outside now. Now, let me just say one thing. A lot of my guests forego a veranda because they're worried for safety. Like I said, Disney has families in mind, safety in mind, and let me show you the double lock on the veranda door. Don't forego a veranda just for safety reasons. Have your wine, have your coffee. Your kids are asleep. Go outside with your husband, with your glass of wine while they're sleeping in here. There's so many things that we can talk about and advantages to having the veranda. So please know that it is safe, and let me show you why. Okay, so your lock is right up here, and it's green or red. So I'm 5'4", so that's a good 7 foot up there. And then your door is locked here as well. So it would be really, really tough for any kiddo to get out of here. And then here is your 2 chairs and your table. We are sailing away, you guys. We are sailing away on the maiden voyage of the Disney Destiny. Look at this. I love it. I love it. Here we go. So amazing. And again, here are your 2 chairs and your table. So lovely. And for your next Disney cruise vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications to follow all my travels around the world. It would be my pleasure to serve your family. Now, did you find out about Melissa VIP Magic after you booked your cruise? Have no worries. I would love to help. If you book directly with Disney Cruise Line and it's been less than 30 days and you haven't made final payment, I can transfer any cruise under my care. Let's do that so you have no worries. And I also want to mention that we have started a new Facebook page. It is Disney Cruise Line Concierge VIP Insiders. Come talk Disney Cruise Line Concierge with us. We would love to have you. I would love to serve your family, and we'll see you real soon. Bon voyage!